of mushroom soup. I hope you give it a try. Today we're making creamy, homemade mushroom soup. Let's get started. Here I'm melting 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large Dutch oven, and I've got it on medium. So I'm going to add 1 whole chopped sweet onion. You can add chopped celery as well, but today I'm just adding onion. And then I'm going to saute this up until they're real soft, and that's about 4 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add 1.5 pounds of mushrooms. Okay, we're going to add the mushrooms, 1.5 pounds of mushrooms, so got that, and then I'm going to add about half of the package. We're going to stir this up. We are going to let this reduce down along with a teaspoon of dried thyme. And then ground marjoram, a teaspoon of ground marjoram. Just a tiny bit more. Okay, and we're going to let this reduce down for about 10 to 15 minutes until the mushrooms are softened. So the mushrooms look really good. It's been 15 minutes and they're soft. I'm going to use this whisk to scrape all around the sides and get all this goodness. Scrape like in the bottom of the pan. Get all that up. While we're doing this. And then now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of flour. So I'm just going to add 6 tablespoons of flour. Just slowly mix it in slowly. That's 2. Switch back to this. Now I'm going to deglaze the pan a bit with some white wine. The rest of my new Luna de Luna. So I'm going to deglaze this pan a bit and get all those good bits in here. And this will just evaporate. It's just going to give it some more, really get some good flavor.
Until the mixture has reduced.
Stir that in. All right, we're gonna let that simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens up. So now this is reduced down, and we're gonna reduce the heat to simmer, and we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Slowly add it. Get it all mixed up in there. And we're gonna let this cook for 5 additional minutes. Ooh, so our cream and mushroom soup is ready. Looks really good. I'm just gonna taste it for seasoning. I don't like to add any salt because it has so much flavor in there already. So I'm just gonna take just a little tiny bite, little tiny taste. Delicious. I think it just needs just a little
dash of fine black pepper.
Of some salt and just wow, that looks so good. Wish you could smell it. You need to try this recipe. Perfect on a fall evening before your Thanksgiving dinner. Yum.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up and comment below. Happy Thanksgiving.